tApply function can be used to apply a function to subset of a variable or vector. So let's see how it works. And as we always say, like, we're gonna load the data, but I've written it in a subscript, so instead of running it and typing it all the time. One more thing, this is a part of tutorial, about like 50 videos, they're all available in the playlist, okay, and my email is written in the box description below. Okay, so as we said, control L to clear the screen. If you want to see if there are old values, so you do objects. If you want to clear this, so you write this command and objects again, nothing. Okay, so just want to select this, and so this is the long cap data, the \t, which is the txt file. Okay, so we have the data. Okay, and we already did the attach and names here. Otherwise, we have to write, every time we want to refer to age, we have to write long cap $age. So let's start. If we do tApply x equal age index, okay, equal smoke fun equal mean, and I like to write this one just in case there is missing data or an error. It will just like correct the data. Okay, so what does that mean? Like the average age of people who do smoke is 12.03, is 14.77, and who don't smoke is 12.03. Okay, so, and if we like, this is like the default way of writing it, or you could just say quicker way of doing it, it gives you the same results, or even you could use the mean. Okay, so age, and we wanted smoke, we want people to be smokers, and okay, it's 14.7 or no, so 12.03. okay, so it's really easy, really straightforward. Okay, or you could just do a like summary. I will show you summary. So you have here all the people who don't smoke. So you have the minimum, the maximum, the first quartile, the medium, the mean, the second quartile, and the minimum, maximum, first, third, medium, mean, all the summary of data. To be honest, I don't think it has a point, but just like leave it as it is. So if we want to, I'll show you what I'm gonna do. So we just give me a second. We want to show like both average age in case like they are smokers and by gender. Okay, so fun is equal to mean and RAM and ARM equal to true. Okay, so the number of the average age of people of female who don't smoke is 12.2, who do smoke is 14. So, and if we like, we add, like, I will show you one thing. So this is like the data we've got, and so let's do, if we consider 1 till 5, sorry. Okay, so this is the data. So in case like we want to do the same, but we want to take cesarean as well, so we got the people who smoke, the female, the average age of female who don't smoke is 12.07, as I did have so like cesarean, yes, no, here and there. Okay, so this is like not for cesarean, this is yes for cesarean. Okay, so this is like endless way of playing with those numbers and those functions. So for more videos, please check the playlist.